from Wiggins Hair. Here is the lovely box. And then when you open it, it's gonna look sort of something like this. So we got the start of the show, which is our hair, of course. We do got a red bag, a silk bag. These are great to store your units in. They also gave me one of the silk scarves. I'll show you guys that later on in the video. They also provided an elastic band. And it also came with a wig cap. I do have their 6x6 lace closure wig. It's in 20 inches and the density is 180%, as you guys can see. This is not the hair that's coming off like that. It's the hair net and it's stuck on the comb. So this is what the beautiful unit looks like, okay? And it's so soft, y'all. So like I said, it is a body wave wig, as you guys can see. I'm running my hands through it, doing my little test. Let's see if we're getting any strands of hair. I probably got one piece so far. That's really, really good. And another piece. So I got 2 strands just doing my test. Construction of the unit. We do have a comb on this angle, a comb right here. We don't have any combs in the center of it. As you guys can see, it just looks like this. We have a comb at the nape and we have the drawstrings. Now this is the lace portion. This is a 6x6 closure, so this is the amount of room you would have. The lace does not look tinted, it looks transparent, so I am gonna go ahead and put some foundation on that. So I'm just gonna lay it against my hand so you guys can see, but I'm gonna put it on so you guys can see better. But this is what it looks like up close and personal, and I can see they definitely give us a guideline for baby hairs. Alright guys, so we are back with the video, and this actually is another day. Y'all, that whole video I filmed was a mess prior, and it was not the unit's fault. It was at all. It was mine. I didn't feel like myself, and I pushed myself to film that video. So here we are again. This is what you get when you try to push yourself to do something when you're not in the, you know, the best feeling or mood or state of mind. Do not try to force yourself to do something because it was a mess. But we're here today. She's looking bomb.com. She's freshly washed and conditioned. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, get her looking nice and flat towards the top. I did wash her with my Aussie shampoo and conditioner, and I love those two. Oh my gosh, when you got some good hair with Aussie conditioner and shampoo, I'm telling you, your life is gonna freaking change. So freaking exciting. Y'all, this hair is bomb. Now this is body wave hair, and I was super impressed because like I'm straightening it and it's just gliding. Okay, it's just gliding. Like you only can get that silky effect when you have good hair. Like you can't get silky hair with terrible hair. It's not fun to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my wax stick and do another pass of the hot comb. And you know, I just do this because it just gives it a natural shine. It just makes everything lay very natural. And like sis, you can just see for yourself, it's looking better than it was before. Now the only thing I put on the lace was foundation. That's my quickest way of tinting my lace, because tinting your lace is time consuming, but that's a quick hack. Another hair hack is putting concealer on the part to make it look a little bit more realistic. Concealer actually covers the knots, and it just makes your part look flawless. Like I don't know how I ever lived without, you know, putting concealer on the part, but you know, if you know, go overboard like I did, just take a makeup wipe and just wipe off the part. So today's spray, we have the Beyond the Zone Frozen Stiff Freezing Volume Lift, Support, and Shine. Now I've had this hairspray for a while, and I actually used it as a hairspray. Never used it to secure down my unit, so I wanted to try it today. I didn't need a super hold, but I needed something that was going to get the job done. So this is what we went for today, and like I really love it, y'all. I really do. I feel like it's not a super hold. It's not up there with Got2b glue and Tresemme. Is not up there with them, but it's going to give you a hold. And I feel like if you guys are working with the unit for a first time and don't know how to lay your hair down, I would say buy this spray and practice with that. I did pluck the unit a little bit. I think I already said that, but
Other than that, I feel like this is a great beginner unit because it's balm and it's a closure. Okay, the closures are one of the easiest installs that you can attempt. So I'm gonna give you guys a little update while I'm still installing the unit. Like I said, I did wash and wash and condition the hair, and I just love it. Okay, I just love it. I did let it sit for 1 to 2 hours with conditioner in, and when I rinsed it out with my cold water, it was just nice, silky, and soft. But we're gonna go ahead and layer down with the silk, I guess, scarf edges, layer edges down scarf, that's what they're calling it. But I'm glad that they are providing these because it's very, very convenient. And when you add heat to this with the scarf on, it just makes your edges lay down flawlessly. I was gonna actually not do baby hairs, but I decided to do it anyway. But this is how she will look once you take her right on off. She's looking freaking flawless. I'm gonna wipe away some of the excess glue. Like I said, not a strong hold at all, but it is a hold. You're gonna have a light hold, and like I said, it's good for running errands, or if you're just not doing much that day, like a chill day, it's very great. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten out the hair. I'm gonna use my denim brush to detangle, and I'm gonna go ahead and with my Babyliss flat iron. Y'all guys know that this is my baby. I haven't put it down since I invested in her from Ulta. Okay, now I never paid that much for a flat iron in my life, but I'm telling you guys, it's really bomb. It's really freaking bomb. And another thing, I love the inches of this flat iron because I hate taking a 1-inch flat iron and trying to section the whole head, and it takes too long. I can't stand it. I have no patience for that. So like I said, this is body wave hair. I decided to straighten it, and it was just giving me all types of life. I've gotten so many compliments in this unit because it looks very, very natural. People really couldn't tell it was mine at all. Wasn't mine. Let me say that, wasn't mine. So I really love units that help me get that vibe because I don't want nobody checking for my lace. Okay, I don't want nobody checking to see if it's a unit. It just looks very, very natural, and I love that when I straightened it out, it still had texture. It wasn't like, I don't know how to explain it. The density and everything on it was just bomb.com. The prior video, I did go ahead and curl it, and let me tell you, girl, them curls was popping. Okay, but you can wear it either way. I love it. Very, very versatile. And yeah, so next I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it with what is it called, my Fructis Garnier. I never know how to say that spray. And we're gonna just pump it all through the hair just to get any extra flyaways that are existing. And then that is pretty much it. I'm gonna do my baby hairs, and with my baby hairs I actually do use my 𝚘𝚘. I just spray a little bit of that on my edge brush and create my baby hairs, and that's it. But that is pretty much all to this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you guys are interested in checking out this unit, don't forget to check the description section below. Everything that I used in this video today will be listed there. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.